Hi guys, today I want to share with you Makita Cordless circular saw DHS680Z. It's a 18 watt battery to run this machine. The circular saw automatically changes the cutting speed according to load condition to optimum operation. And it is brushless motor. The set comes with a saw blade, a hex wrench, and a guide ruler. The blade diameter for this machine will be 165 mm. The max cutting capacity for 90 degree is 57 mm. For 45 degree is 41 mm and 50 degree is 37 mm. The net weight for the machine only is 3.3 kg. For the work amount, if you install a 5.0 Ah battery, you can cut 170 pieces of a 38 mm x 89 mm wood. The hook here is for you to hang the machine, and the place here is for you to install a vacuum. To install the vacuum, you have to buy the attachment.